If Niccolo Machiavelli, the author of The Prince, was a YouTuber today, you think he would be saying stuff like, please smash the like button? That would be beneath him. He would manipulate the viewers into liking his videos. This is how he would do it. You might be in that stage of your YouTube channel now where you're getting some views, but not much engagement out of those views. No likes, no comments, no subscribers. Engagement from viewers means that they have to take extra initiative on your videos. Not only do they need to click on them to watch them, but once they are watching them, then they need to go that extra step further and click on like or click on subscribe or type out a comment. To get a viewer to have that sort of initiative, they have to care in some way. They have to get emotionally invested in what they have seen. Now, what's a good way of getting people emotionally invested in your videos? Drama. You want drama to draw them in. Here's how to use the comment section of your own videos to generate that drama. Make alternative or other YouTube accounts and leave horrible hate comments using these accounts on your own video. But these hate comments that you're leaving aren't going to be genuine or constructive criticism. You aren't going to be saying stuff like, dude, the audio quality of your video is awful. Instead, it's going to be completely harsh and malicious comments. For example, no one wants to see your ugly ass face, stop making videos. Now, you might be thinking, why make hateful comments against yourself on your own videos? Wouldn't it be better to leave fake positive comments to make it seem that others are enjoying your videos? First off, people these days are very skeptical of bots leaving fake messages, and even shills, humans, leaving fake positive messages. And this is for obvious reasons. It happens all over social media. But no one is really expecting fake negative messages. If it's a hate message, people generally think it's a real hater. But even besides that, positive messages are just not going to have the same emotional impact on the viewers as hate messages. When people see positive comments, they will realize that other people are enjoying this content, and it's possible for it to have some group pressure or peer pressure type influence on them to think that then I should also be enjoying it, but oftentimes it doesn't. In fact, a lot of people like the power of social media, that their own opinion matters online and that they can express it how they like by choosing what to like and what to dislike. And actually, the more positive and praising your fake comment is, like saying, oh my god, this video was amazing, the more skeptical or doubtful they might be of the enjoyment that others might have had. On the other hand, a purely hateful comment can have a strong emotional impact for viewers, especially when it's completely undeserved and ad hominem, like attacking the person's physical looks. And unlike positive comments, the more over the top your hateful comment is, like by saying you're such a loser, you shouldn't be allowed to breed, the more impact it's actually going to have. By creating this victimhood and siege mentality environment on your video, you are more likely to acquire empathy and support from other viewers, where these people want to not only silence and rebuke the hater for his remarks, but also these people then want to see you succeed in the face of undeserved hate and adversity. People who may not have even enjoyed your video might like your video or leave a positive comment or subscribe to your channel because it's an emotional response of them trying to see justice or an equitable outcome done in the face of what they perceive is injustice or unfairness in the world. You create an underdog story for yourself, which resonates with a lot of people who also have chips on their shoulders. And those people will empathize with others facing unfair struggles in their life as they have. They can see supporting you as a way of fighting against that struggle, helping a victim overcome for once. That's what you're trying to exploit. Now, the only thing here is to be careful not to overdo it. As much as people have a general sense of empathy and want to see justice and fairness and want to give the benefit of the doubt, if every time you make a video you are dumping out immediately a massive amount of hate comments, it might hit a tipping point. What I mean by that is, even if these fake hate comments are ad hominems and just plain mean, your viewers might eventually think to themselves, maybe this guy does deserve it if he's always getting this abuse. The abuse is harsh, but he's got to be doing something to get it so consistently. So be careful with that, because otherwise you might lose your victim environment. I hope that helped. Thanks for watching, and remember to clear and delete your conscience every day.